Hello. In this video, we're going to go ahead and graph the following rational function of h of x equals x minus 2 times x plus 3 all over x minus 1 times x plus 2. We're going to plot and label the vertical and horizontal asymptotes with the correct equations, and we're going to carefully plot and label the x and y intercepts as ordered pairs. So before I begin, it is actually going to be beneficial to me to go ahead and multiply out h of x. So the numerator, once it gets multiplied, is x squared plus x minus 6, and the denominator would be x squared plus x minus 2. Okay, good deal. So to find the vertical asymptotes, we're going to take the denominator and set it equal to 0. I'm going to go ahead and take the original because it's already factored. So x minus 1 times x plus 2 equal to 0. Means x minus 1 equal to 0 and x plus 2 equal to 0. So the solutions would be x equals 1 and x equals negative 2. Awesome. Go ahead and plot them. So we have x equals negative 2 there, and x equals 1 here. Good. Now for the horizontal asymptote. To get the horizontal asymptote, we look at the degrees in the numerator and denominator. It's easiest to see when it's multiplied out, which is the reason I did so. So looking at the numerator, I have degree 2. Looking at the denominator, I have degree 2, and the relationship between those is equal. So 2 equals 2 is that second condition. So the horizontal asymptote exists, and it's the ratio of the leading coefficients. The leading coefficient of the numerator is understood to be 1, divided by the leading coefficient of the denominator, which is understood to be 1 as well. Simplify that, that makes that y equals 1. And so just draw a horizontal dotted line at y equals 1. Fantastic. Next, let's find any x-intercepts. To find those, we set the numerator equal to 0 and solve. Since the original is already factored, let's take that. So we have x minus 2 times x plus 3 equal to 0. So that means x minus 2 equal to 0, x plus 3 equal to 0. So it's x equals 2 and x equals negative 3 are your two x-intercepts. And ordered pairs would be 2, 0 and negative 3, 0. Plotting this, there, and there. As for the y-intercept, I want to find f of 0, or in this case, h of 0. Plug in 0. I'm going to go ahead and plug that into the multiplied form here, which gives me 0 squared plus 0 minus 6 all over 0 squared plus 0 minus 2. And simplify that, that's going to give you 3. So h of 0 equals 3, which would be the coordinate 0, 3. Plotting that. Fantastic. And again, at this point, I would recommend just going ahead and typing this into the calculator. By the way, make sure you use alpha y equals enter. Otherwise, it's going to look wrong and will be wrong. So it'll look something like this. And there you go. Alrighty. Well, I believe I'm going to go ahead and end it here, and I will see you in the next video. Have fun.